Welcome to this episode of Executive Tech Talks, the show where we talk to financial services executives about their technology tribulations and triumphs. Many thanks to ServiceNow, who is our exclusive sponsor for Series 2. What are your thoughts on how digital customer experience will evolve today, tomorrow, and into the future?
I'm really excited by the cloud. I think this is not new, but the engineering opportunities that offers are really exciting, in particular the abstraction layer. In the industry, getting to the next level of abstraction has often been a way to scale conceptually. Do we understand this system? And the cloud offers one more step like that. It's such as your functions or your lambdas in AWS world, where you could truly abstract away from machines, even though nowadays they're all virtual machines. You can now really talk about functions and divide and break them up and run them in different fault domains, which is really cool from a resiliency point of view. And then when you push those functions to the edge, you get a geographical distribution that, of course, as a resiliency engineer, really speaks to me that things are running as close to the user as we can, and then hopefully we can get the data close to the user as we can as well. So to me, the cloud is one fabulous not new development, but a fabulous way to get to newer paradigms that will really bring us to fast and snappy experiences for customers worldwide. Yeah, the other thing, I mean, it's part of that I'm really excited by the next generation of engineers who grew up with building their own little application on the cloud, and then realizing, hey, my virtual machine just disappeared, but my front end still needs to live. What do I do? And so my point is that the barriers of simple things like using a load balancer and 5 or 8 or 100 machines behind it are so much lower nowadays than they were really only 10 years ago. It brings that mindset about that you need for these large digital presences to a much wider group of engineers. It's really cool. You speak to folks just out of college that have had exposure to that know how conceptually how that works, and really have some hands-on experience with it. So that those two developments are really promising for the future.
Thanks for listening to this episode of Executive Tech Talks. And a special thanks to ServiceNow, who is our exclusive sponsor for Series 2.